Hello, this is Konso, recording from the new studio. Do you like it? So I have a small problem that I hope you can help me with. In exchange for your help, I'll give you the trick to become smart and clever like I am. So, let's first move to the old studio. So this is the old set. I've been using it since video 10. This thing keeps falling off. You can immediately say why someone in front of it looks clever. That's right, books. Ever seen in TV when they interview a doctor or professor or someone that must look as clever, that must be identified as clever. They use a background like this one, and this is the main reason that made, I think, over 10,000 people like Say Konso page.
By the way, thank you.
I really haven't read 10% of these books. What I read are journals like these ones or online ones. That the books are only a representation of knowledge. So the books are not the only thing, of course. The raw data of one scientific experiment per video also helps, but what I want you to think by watching Say Konso is a guy with a background that suggests intelligence, like you're used to associate with books, and intelligence plus the thing I say that sound clever, plus the tone I use that sound calm and confident. Yeah, whatever what it says, I follow the page. By following a person who sounds clever, I feel a little bit more clever too. And tricks similar to this one are used by every single video maker ever to gain followers. But only Konso will tell you his, because I like to hurt myself. And I return in a moment in this matter with more tricks. The next one are gonna be the forbidden ones that I been avoiding to use because darkness. But first, my problem, Facebook. So out of 10,000 people, Facebook is showing my posts only to like 100 of you guys. Why? Very simple. How does a Facebook post work? So let's say I publish this video. The image now goes to a post. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Facebook shows it to 10 people who like the page. Let's say you are among these 10 people. You watch it for 1 minute, or you like it, or you comment or share. So you interact with it in any way. Two things will happen. The first, Facebook will show you another post of the same page the next time it's published, because Facebook thinks you like it. Second, since the post is performing well, Facebook will show it to 10 more people. If those 10 more people interact with it, Facebook will show it to 10 more people more. And if they interact, 10 more people, etc, etc, etc. So at a certain point, Facebook publishers' pages noticed this. And the most successful ones started to use tricks to increase interaction. Tricks like this post. Who is the best actor ever? Like for Sylvester Stallone. Heart for Angelina Jolie. Smiley face for Will Smith. Oh, you thought someone cared about what you thought? The only thing they care is to increase shares. And the fun part is that people even comment on this kind of garbage, saying, oh no, why didn't you mention this or that other actor that I like so much? This means more interactions and more people are gonna see these kind of posts. Want another example? This one. What you might see here is a nice little game of observation. What I see here is pure dopamine. What is dopamine? Dopamine is a substance produced by our brain every time we achieve something. You finished working? Dopamine. You learned something useful today? Dopamine. You win a game? Dopamine. Someone likes your Facebook post? Dopamine. This is also how Facebook works. Continuous small shots of dopamine. And in this post, the dopamine is exactly here. So you watch it for a couple of seconds, you spot it, dopamine shot, and now you feel so clever for solving that enigma that everyone, even a child, could solve. But dopamine makes you more happy and you're more likely to like the post and share it with other people. In fact, this post has over 27,000 shares. Dopamine for everyone. Now this is exactly my problem. Since now I've been avoiding to use cheap tactics like this. I could, for example, make charity live streams. Do you think streamers give a damn about charity? Okay, few does. I'm sure that some streamer does care about charity. But most, let's see how it works. You donate $10, €10, and they receive exchange dopamine because you donated money to someone in need. You are a better person, right? The streamer keeps 5 money and gives the rest to charity. Or he may give all the money to charity. Either way, this generates traffic. You associate receiving dopamine with that person. Or I could use contests. However, I need to find a way to activate the dopamine process in your brain without feeling like I'm using you. So if you have some suggestions, please write me or comment down below. I'm always open for ideas, even if you see this post in 2038. In the meantime, what you can do to help me is, if you see a video of mine that you like, to interact with it. I'll help you to do that by changing format a bit. I'll use storytelling a lot more in the next videos. Let me know if you like them. The bad news is that now I'll be publishing videos every 3 days, because lately I wasn't really able to keep up with the editing, writing, shooting, and subtitling, and plus I have to leave. And I hope I made your day a little bit better. See you next time.